Examples of system software includes operating systems like Mac OS, Linux, Android, and Microsoft Windows, computational science software, game engines, search engines, industrial automation, and software as a service application. Examples are word processor, accounting software, media player, aeronautical flight simulator, web browser, and photo editor. Types of application software. Application suite has multiple applications bundled together, related functions, features, and user interface interact with each other. Enterprise software addresses an organization's needs and data flow in a huge distributed environment. Enterprise infrastructure software provides capabilities required to support enterprise software systems. Information workers software addresses individual needs required to manage and create information for individual projects within departments. Content access software used to access content and addresses a desire for published digital content and entertainment. Educational software provides content intended for use by students. Media development software addresses individual needs to generate and print electronic media for others to consume. Examples are compilers, assemblers, debuggers, and interpreters. What is data? Data can be defined as a representation of facts, concepts, or instructions in a formalized manner which should be suitable for communication, interpretation, or processing by human or electronic machine. What is information? Is organized or classified data which has some meaningful values for the receiver. Information is the processed data on which decisions and action are based. For the decision to be meaningful, the processed data must qualify for the following characteristics. Timely information should be available when required. Accuracy information should be accurate. Completeness information should be complete. IECT stands for Information, Electronics, and Communication Technology. The applications of IECT are as follows: e-governance, multimedia, and entertainment. E-governance. Electronics governance is application of information, electronics, and communication technology in running an effective governance system for people. Communications refers to sharing of information between parties like common people, government, business, and etc. Multimedia and entertainment. Multimedia refers to combination of text, audio, video, graphics, animation, and etc. It is one of the applications of IECT. Multimedia is used to improve quality of presentation by incorporating information sharing, usage of graphics and animation, motion capture, and etc. Connecting keyboard. To connect your keyboard to your computer, you first need to make sure your keyboard has either a USB port or MIDI ports. You will then need a corresponding cable to connect your keyboard to your computer. If you have a USB port, you will need a USB-A to B cable. If you have MIDI ports, you will need a MIDI to USB cable. How to connect USB port. If your keyboard has a USB port, you will need a USB-A to B cable. This cable is also referred to as a printer cable since it's used to connect printers to computers. Plug the USB-B end of the cable, square inch in shape, into the USB port on your keyboard. If your keyboard has two USB ports, USB to device and USB to host, make sure to plug into the USB to host port. 2. Plug the USB-A end of the cable into your computer. Make sure to power on the keyboard when you're ready to play. Launch Playground and begin going through the setup prompts at the keyboard configuration step. You will be prompted to select your keyboard model. Select your keyboard model from the drop-down menu. If you don't see your keyboard as an option, but see the name of your cable, select the cable instead. Connecting mouse. Using a wireless receiver, plug in your mouse's receiver. The receiver should fit into one of your computer's USB ports. You can typically find the USB ports, which are thin, regular slots on the sides of laptops and on the front of desktop's CPU boxes. Make sure that your mouse has batteries or is charged. To do so, you'll typically flip the mouse over and remove a tray on the bottom. Though some mice instead have their batteries in a compartment in the back of the mouse. If you haven't used the mouse in several months, consider replacing the batteries even if they were new when you inserted them. Some mice, such as the Apple Magic Mouse 2, required charging instead of new batteries. Turn on your mouse. This typically involves manipulating a button on the bottom of the mouse, though you may need to look for the on and off switch on the side of the mouse. If you can't find the on and off button, consult your mouse manual. Press your mouse connect button. This button's location will vary based on your mouse developer, but you'll usually be able to find this button either between the two mouse buttons or on the mouse side. Connecting monitor. First, plug the monitor or TV into the computer. Second, turn on the monitor or TV. Third, turn on the computer. Fourth, when Windows opens, it should find the monitors using Windows plug and play process. Give Windows extra time to start up while it's installed the necessary files for the monitor or TV. Fifth, once Windows has finished plug and play, right-click anywhere on the Windows desktop and select Screen Resolution to open a Display Properties window. Sixth, set the resolution slider to match the default resolution of your monitor. For LED and LCD displays, refer to the box User's Guide or Products Specification to find the native display resolution. 7. Click OK. Your monitor has been installed. Connecting printers to CPU. Step 1. Open Windows Settings. At the bottom left of your screen, click the Windows icon to reveal your Start menu. At the bottom of the leftmost column, you should see a gear icon linking to your settings window. Step 2. Access device. Within the first row of the Windows settings, find and click the icon labeled Devices. In the left column of the Devices window, select Printers and Scanners. This window brings up a page where the first option will be to add printers or scanner. Step 3. Connect your printer. Once you've clicked Add Printer or Scanner, Windows should be able to detect your printer connected via USB cable. When the name of your printer pops up, click it and complete the installation as per your computer's instruction. Checking power supply. 1. Turn off your PC. Second, find the power supply unit. Third, find the connector. Fourth, prepare for the paperclip test. Fifth, use a testing device. And lastly, plug the power supply.